it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do izone's new song Violeta tutorial. So this video will be the explanation part of this video. If you guys want the music section and go 75% speed, 90% speed, so on and so forth, go ahead and click up there. I'll link it also in the description box below. If you wanted the explanation part, you came to the right place. And so right now I'm going to teach you guys the chorus of Violeta. As per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored, and let's get started. First, we're gonna come here. It's like you're my Violeta, kind of. I'm gonna point, and then I'm going to face to the left, okay? And then we're going to bring our hands up to our head, and we're just gonna close. So it's like a flower like closing and blooming again. So we're coming, close, and open. As I do this, I'm facing to the left, and I'm bending my knees like so. All right, so we come here, Violeta. Now we're going to hit, so we're gonna face back to the front, okay? We're gonna hit up to the right, like this, and I'm like, it's like my arm's like a wave, okay? But it's a quick wave because there's not a lot of time. So we're gonna come right, and we're gonna lift our right leg up, and we're gonna do the same with left, and we're gonna lift our left leg up, okay? So we come right, left. Now from here, we're going to bring our arms up. So when we bring our arms up, my right hand is going to face this way. My palm is going to face down. My left is going to be palms up. So when we hit, we're going to do this, okay? It's going to be really quick, but you want to keep your hands as flat as possible so it creates that like flatness. I don't know. It's like a really crisp, nice movement. Again, we come. Let's go from here. From the very beginning, you are my Violeta. Now we're gonna come right, left, and up. And when we come up, we hit, our right leg comes up. Now, once we finished hitting this position, we're gonna come back down in a counterclockwise movement. We're gonna come here, bring our hands together like prayer hands. Let's do that again. Come right, left, come hit, and here. Now from once we have our hands together, you're gonna do a lot of, not a lot, but 2 times. You're gonna bring your right leg out once and twice, okay? While we do this, we're going to rotate this way. So this is, I believe, counterclockwise, yes, this way. So counterclockwise, we're gonna go around our head from right to left, okay? Once we've come around our head and we bring our right leg out, then we're gonna bring it out again with our hand. So now my hand is following my right leg, and we're coming back in like so. All right, so let's pull that all together. So we come right, left, hit, come up, and spin, and out. Now, when I come back in together, so I'm in this position, we're gonna roll our wrist like this. All right, so again, my prayer hands, I'm facing it like it's pointing downwards. So I'm gonna come up like this and roll out. And now it's like a diamond, okay? Or a triangle, I don't know what you wanna call this, but yeah. So again, we come here, we come roll up. While we roll up, we're going to bring our right leg up again, and we're gonna make it cross over our left. Okay, so we come roll up. And now, once we finish rolling up, once we land and put our right leg in front of our left, we're gonna bring our left hand on our hip, right arm down across our body. Now, from across our body, we're gonna do a zigzag. So we're gonna go out, in, out. And once we come in on that 4th one, we're coming in, and then our left arm touches like this little crease like of our elbow. So when you're up here, you're going to, when you open and close, you're going to lift your right leg up as well. So close and open like this. And then we're going into the second part of the chorus. The second part of the chorus is really similar to the first part, but let's start from the very beginning. So first part of the chorus, ready? We point and we come close, open. Now right, left, come up, in here, around the head, side, roll up and down. Now we right, left, and up, close, open, and that is it. So once we come close and open, we're going to step back to the front, Now I'm going to take my left foot and put it in front of me, and then we're gonna come, you're my Violeta again, but this time I'm going to, if you can, it's basically your second and third fingers together, fourth and fifth together, and we're coming, and it's like kind of in between our eyes, okay? Here. And we're gonna just step with our left foot at the same time. So again, Violeta. Now, almost identical. We're gonna come again to the right, okay? And then we're coming to the left, but this time we're gonna let it come all the way, full round circle, clockwise and up. And then once we get back to our prayer hands, we do the exact same movement, okay? So remember, we spin counterclockwise around our head, bring our right leg around, right leg out too. So we come out and bring it out. Now we roll up again, come down, and we zig, zag, close and open. And to finish it off, we're gonna, at the very end of the beat, we're going to do this again, Violeta, and use your right hand, and we're gonna go Violeta. Alrighty, so let's go over that part of where it's different again. Remember, we step in with our left, now we come back, we come right, and then left, bring it all the way around, prayer hands. So let's do that one more time to show you the difference. Again, we step in, Violeta, now we come right and left, come around, together. All right, so second part of the chorus, ready? We come in, we step with our left foot, we come here, and we go right, left, come around, prayer, around the head, side, roll up and down. Now out, in, close, open. Now walk a little and again. Alrighty, so for review, if you guys need more time to review the steps, feel free to go back and take your time. If not, let's go with full review. Alrighty, very beginning, we come point and here. Now we come right, left, come up and down, around the head, out, roll up and down. Now out, in, up, close, open. Now walk, left, ready, and right, left, around, together, around the head, side, roll up and down. Now out, in, close, open, walk a little and again. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching this explanation part of this tutorial. If you guys are ready to move on to the music section, feel free to click in the description box below. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys click that subscribe button and make it gray. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me a lot. And if you guys want to find me on my social media, I'll put them in the description box below. My Instagram dance account is felicia.covers, so make sure you guys come check me out on that, and I'll see you guys in the music section. Bye!